One of the resources on there is a list of a bunch of mental math strategies. So while some of you are already very proficient with mental math, maybe there's some new strategies that you didn't know about. One of them is the counting on strategy. So if we have a problem like 7 plus 3, we would hold that larger number in your head. So you've got 7 in your head, and then you're going to count up that other 3. So I would start with 7, then I go 8, 9, 10. So that is a mental math strategy. Relatively easy one for Jacob, but
maybe not for the rest of us.
Another strategy is called the jump strategy. So if you have 2 numbers and you're trying to jump along a number line at those main 5 and 10 multiple stops. So for example, if I have 9 plus 6, I would take 1 from that 6, so I'm going to add 9 plus 1, that gives me a 10, but then I've got to add that leftover 5. So I took, and some of these are kind of hard to think about, but I do have some examples on the resources, which kind of help explain a little bit better. So
did anybody use one of those?
Did anybody, Hayden, do you try to like get to 10, and then, can you explain your process? Like on your first problem, you have 43 minus 39. How do you think through that? You just do it. Okay. Well, you might find some of these mental math strategies helpful. So check them out.
Caspers, did you have something you wanted to share? Nope. Okay.
All right. So other than mental math strategies, we've got a ton of abacus resources. So I've heard a lot of students in here say, I've never used an abacus. Well, maybe it's time to explore it. So on our website, we've got apps, we've got websites, we've got articles, we've got videos on how to use both the Cranmer abacus, which is the one with the 1 bead across the top and the 4 down below, or the expanded beginner abacus, which is the one with 3 columns of 9 beads. So again, we'll have you guys go to that website before you leave today. All right. Are you guys ready for a more fun activity?
There's numbers involved.
There's numbers involved, but there's also some snacks involved. We got some snacks.